Are you struggling to speak English fluently and confidently? Speaking English fluently and confidently is a goal many individuals aspire to achieve. Improving English fluency and confidence involves a combination of linguistic principles, psychological factors, and practical strategies. Here are some evidence-based strategies to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Regularly chatting with people who speak English as their first language can help you get used to the way they talk. Also, exposes you to natural conversations, helping you pick up common phrases and improve your fluency. Just like playing a sport or a musical instrument, practicing speaking every day helps you get better. The more you practice, the more comfortable you become. It's like training your brain to speak English without thinking too much. Watching movies and shows in English is like having fun while learning. It helps you understand how words are pronounced, and you can copy the way characters speak to improve your own pronunciation. Learning new words is like adding tools to your speaking toolbox. The more words you know, the better you can express yourself. Use flashcards or apps to make learning new words more fun. It's like having a coach give you tips on how to play better in a game. When you ask people for feedback on your English, they can tell you what you're doing well and where you can improve. Reading books or articles in English is like exploring new worlds while learning. It exposes you to different words and sentence structures, helping you become more familiar with the language. Apps are like little helpers that tell you if you're saying words correctly. They give you instant feedback, helping you improve your pronunciation over time. Being positive about your progress motivates you to keep going. Celebrate small achievements, like using a new phrase correctly. It's like cheering for yourself when you score a goal in a game.